cut up the meat into, you can see, strips like this. Now we're just going to add all the ingredients. 2 cups of sugar. And this meat you can do between 6 and 8 pounds. 1/4 cup of Chinese wine or any other kind of liquor. 1/4 cup of minced garlic. This really gives it a good flavor. 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice. And 2 cakes of nam yoi or fermented red bean curd. Pour it right over. And I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of red food color. It's about 8 drops. And I like to put it on the sugar rather than on the meat, because if you just put it on the meat, it won't be distributed so nicely. And I'm wearing gloves because it'll save you a lot of wash up. Your hands will be all red. So first of all, mash these bean curd and just give it a good massage. Incorporating everything. Now it's kind of colorless, but as it sits, it'll turn color. And you can marinate this for a day, but even up to 5 days in the refrigerator. If you're not going to use it all, you can put it in Ziploc bags and flatten it and freeze it. And when you want to roast it, you just take it out and thaw it. It smells really good. Just making sure the meat is rubbed very well. I'm going to put them into Ziploc bags. And then it's going to be refrigerated overnight. At least 1 night. And a lot of water is going to come out from the sugar and the meat. And that you'll use as a basting medium. If you can find boneless pork butt, it's easier, but these were, this particular one had bones, so I had to take it out. Takes a little time to do that. And then the juice of the sauce divided up among the 2 bags. Okay. Now close the bags, get out as much air as you can, and lay them flat like this. So when you freeze it, it's easy to get it out. Now this is a recipe, there are many recipes, but I followed my mother's basic recipe, and from there I tweaked it. And some people have said that they have tried many recipes and the ingredients are many more than what I have, but try, I guarantee you this will be good. Everyone who tastes it likes it, and my daughter said this is her favorite recipe of all the recipes that I make. And unfortunately, my cousins and other relatives don't cook the way I do, but my goal is to teach everybody how to do this. No secrets. This recipe is over 100 years old. It came from China, from the poor villages, from my grandmother. Brought it to Hawaii to teach my mom and myself, and now to all of you. Now you can make it too. I've preheated the oven to 350. This is the pork butt that I've marinated, and it's been about 2 days, but you can marinate it up to 5 days in the fridge, or at this point you can throw it in the freezer, and whenever you're ready to roast it, then you take it out and thaw it out. So it's in the juices already. So I've lined this big pan, it's a full sheet pan, with foil, and put some racks on it so it doesn't touch. So you just lay the meat on here. This pan is good because it fits a lot of meat on it. And you have to get this kind of pan from the restaurant supply stores. The regular stores don't carry this big of a pan. Just try to lay it out flat. And you see the foil is overlapped because to catch some of the juices. And you see there's a lot of juice left in here. So the oven is preheated to 350. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roast it for half hour. Then I'm going to take it out and turn it and brush some of the juices on it. The total cooking time is about, maybe about hour and a quarter. And we'll just check it every so often. I took it out of the oven. Now I'm basting it again. And we're going to put it back 15 minutes, take it out and look at it. And it may be, after this, it'll be 1 hour. And the color is changing, nice and golden red. The char siu is ready after hour and 15 minutes in the oven. And we turned it every 15 minutes after the first hour. So you can see how nice and brown it is. You can save a lot of money making this because in the stores, the latest price is about $12 or $13 a pound. And when you get this on sale, sometimes it's 99 cents for pork butt. That's really a bargain. So I'm gonna cut it and you can see how tender it is. And you can eat it as is. You can put it in noodles, in chow mein. You can make char siu bao or the pork buns with it. These pieces can also be frozen and you can use it as you want because this is a lot to eat at one time. Wrap each piece in plastic wrap and put it in a Ziploc bag and then freeze it. This way you can just take one piece out at a time and it won't be all stuck together. So let's taste it. Delicious. Sweet, but not too sweet. And I thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe below. Mahalo for watching.